are turning towards the west to Bamiyan. We are now entering Bamiyan, and this is a checkpoint.
From Afghanistan.
It's the ancient city. This guards the entrance of Bamiyan Valley. Mostly populated by Hazara ethnic group. I present to you Bamiyan River. We are back at the main road. Hi, I'm back at the Chinese guest house, and now after breakfast we are leaving for Bamiyan. Now we hired a taxi shared with two other people, so it will minimize the cost. Even though maybe shared taxi is cheaper, but this one is quicker. We got one more friend from China who's been cycling from China up to here, as you can see. And we'll take the bike. We are going to Bamiyan. 11 o'clock, and we're gonna go to Bamiyan city center, which is around 180 kilometers from Kabul, and it will take us around 3.5 hours, so probably we'll be there at around 2:30, and we'll go directly to our hotel, and from there maybe we'll travel around Bamiyan and see the Buddha caves and other things. And since we hired a taxi for ourselves, it's a private taxi, we might actually made some stops along the way because there are actually a few ruins along the way. So let's see the view of the journey. Enjoy with me. Okay, we need to fill the tank first. Now we are at Wardak, and now we are turning towards the west to Bamiyan. Apple fields. We just passed Kharkale, somewhere around Kote Asro, and it's apple fields. So as you can see, these are apple trees with the apples there, and kids selling the apples, and my friend is buying the apples. So we are now entering Bamiyan, and this is a checkpoint, and we are the Taliban, very good and handsome. And what's your name again? Sorry.
My name is Abdul Rashid.
Abdul Rashid.
My father name is Abdul Basir.
Abdul Basir. I see. Oh, very cool. So from
My from is Afghanistan.
From Afghanistan.
Islamic
Emirates.
Emirati officer.
Officer. Wow, very cool. Very good. Good job. Good job. And you can see this Zulhak. This is the ancient city. This guards the entrance of Bamiyan Valley. Now we are already in Bamiyan Valley, also known as the Valley of Gods. And yeah, so look at the guys. Whoa, very cool. Okay, so yes.
What your
Boxing?
UFC.
UFC? Oh, UFC. Oh wow.
फोर चौन में गए
फोर 5
नीकी 4 सोल बगो देखो
Wow.
4 call
UFC. Wow. So for UFC athlete.
Yeah, I can.
Very cool. Yeah, ini also. Okay.
Oh, come on. Oh. He's a pro. 可以的时候跟争取一下。
This one is also known as Women's Garden.
争取一下，碰一下。
对。
In this valley, there are a lot of remains, and I don't know if everything is already dated. But for example, just this one, small tower, probably 100 years old. Now we are already at Bamiyan city. Population of 70,000, mostly populated by Hazara ethnic group. This is the main road of Bamiyan city, and now we will turn left here to our hostel. Of Golgola. It's an ancient city from the 6th to 10th century. Basically, when Bamiyan statues were built over there at the back, people live in that city at the top until it was destroyed by Genghis Khan in 1221. And this one, I don't know, is this the airport? Not sure. Shahid Mazari Airport. Bamiyan Airport. Okay, we have arrived, and this might be our hostel for tonight. Let's ask if they have a room. It's called a City Guest House, Bamiyan. So they asked for 5,000 Afghani, which is too much, and the parents not there, just the kids. So just drop in the city center and look for the hostels there. So now we are really in Bamiyan. We just like from the car, and this is our friend from China, and he actually bought a bicycle all the way here. But this time he took the bike on the car because he already cycled here, but because no permit he came back to Kabul. So yes, so this is the bicycle. Now let's look for a hotel. So we are at this beautiful hotel, and they tell us like there is a room for 3 people, 3,000. Or if you want a cheaper one, we can take a room for 2 people, 2,000, and one sleep on the floor. So first we will check the room first, and here's the lobby, and we're gonna check the room. So this is the room for 3 people. There are 3 beds, and it's 2,000, so 1,000 per person. There is Wi-Fi, and also hot water, and breakfast included. So I think it's nice, and there's towel also. That's good. Yeah, here's the toilet if you want to see. Okay, all's good. Nurban Kala Hotel. And there's also a restaurant. Miss. Okay. Burger 200 Afghani.
Okay, thank you.
Hello guys, 这里是 Afghanistan. My name is Obe. Welcome.
Yeah. We're in Bamiyan now, and We just checked in our hotel and now we are looking for dinner. We'll go to the main city, which is across the bridge.
Give this hand.
Yes. Hi. Hello, hello. Okay, let's go get some food. You have seen the Kabul River. Now I present to you Bamiyan River. Oh, almost nothing. Yeah. And behind me you can see the caves already, the Bamiyan caves. The Bamiyan Buddha no longer there, but it's fantastic. Tomorrow we'll go there and take a closer look, but now let's just get some food. After crossing the bridge, we are back at the main road. Bamiyan. So by the side of the road, there's also a shopping center like this one. It's quite long, and so let's just go back to the main road. I think I'll just have a snack for myself, maybe French fries, tortilla French fries. I don't know what's the local name. Now we are back out. There's the soup. Not ready. I got myself some martabak for 20 Afghani. Well, I don't know the local name. I just call it martabak. Basically like wraps with onion and eggs and maybe potatoes. I don't know. And here's we're passing through the market. And this one I think it's spices. Nice. I'm still looking for the French fries tortilla. I saw it over there. Let's see. So here's the French fries, but nobody's here. And I don't know why there are a lot of bees. See? Plo or pilaf. Is it good, Duke? Hot? Good. Yeah, tastes delicious. And shashlik. Nice. So that's all for today. That's the journey from Kabul to Bamiyan. And tomorrow we will go to Bamiyan Jain Buddha, without the Buddha of course, and to Pandamio Lake. Follow me. Bye bye. Ikuti terus Bang Jago. Sampai jumpa.